Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to sell players in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have the Live Pass, Live Today, PvP, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and lastly Campaign. Here at the bottom, you're going to find My Team, Auctions, Achievements, Objectives, and lastly Sets. Basically, guys, there is two ways to sell players in NBA Live Mobile. The first way is to go to My Team, and right here, you're going to find all of the players on your team. For example, I'm going to click on this one. And as you can see, guys, from here, you're going to find all of the informations related to this player, but you're not gonna find the sell option. So in order to sell player, go back and then here in the top, you're gonna find view all items. Go ahead and click on it and then make sure that you are in players section. For example, if you want to sell any player, go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on the player, right here in the top, you're going to find quick sell option or silver trade up. So I'm going to click on quick sell, click right here, and then they're going to ask you if you want to confirm, click on confirm. And as you can see, guys, now I sold my player. The other way is by selling the player from the auctions. You can click on auction and then go to my auction. And from here, you can see all of your auctions. And if you click on sell on the top, you can choose any player and sell him. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.